I would say a 6 or 7.
Maybe a 7.
Maybe like 8.
Yeah, maybe like a 7.
I would say 6, 7.
Like a 4, sometimes a 7.
7, 8.
Being hit by a car. A lot of cars don't look.
Interaction with automobiles and pedestrians.
Cars, definitely.
Definitely cars.
Intersections that don't have clear signage.
Occasionally other cyclists.
Other bikers, that's for sure.
Other cyclists.
Maybe doing education campaigns to make sure that drivers are aware of all the users of the road.
Education for drivers.
Education. I think other bikers need to learn, but also drivers.
More protected bike lanes.
Good infrastructure mainly.
I'd say like wider bike lanes.
I quite like those like elevated bike lanes.
More bike lanes.
More street calming to make sure people drive less quickly.
I think cities, communities, municipalities need to think of cycling infrastructure on equal footing with automobiles and pedestrians. And in a place like the city, Montreal, you have to be very aware of your surroundings when you're cycling.
Please remember that although you are safe in your tin box, I will die if you hit me.
How close cars are driving to bikes, or when they're opening their doors, or when they're turning at intersections.
And like how big your car is compared to the cyclist, and how little of the road we're taking up.
The roads are not just for drivers.
Signal. This is left. This is right. Even if you do it with your right arm, fine. Just signal.
They should be aware of other road users.
Share the road, please.
Prioritizing everyone's safety is important.
Everyone just needs to be respectful.